Hello everyone. Welcome to Modeling Lab tutorial course code U18ME309. I am V Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS W. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create corners for sharp edges in CATIA V5, and also I will going to explain what are the trimming options are available in corner option in CATIA V5. Now let us see what is the use of cornering of a sketch in CATIA V5. The corner option is used to create a smooth corner at the intersection of two lines. In other words, the cornering operation is used to smooth the sharp edges of a sketch. Let us see the general procedure to create a cornering of a sketch in a CATIA V5. First, you can draw the two intersecting lines. Select the sketch that you want to corner. In our case, you can select two intersecting lines and move to the insert menu, and in this you can choose operation and then you can choose corner. The corner operation is selected. Now click and drag the intersecting point of the lines. The corner sketch with the curve of a radius as r having length of, that is the depending upon our requirement, here in this case 40.281 mm. The curve is created after cornering the original sketch. Let us see the different trimming options available in cornering tool. These are the different trimming options available in CATIA V5. That is, first one is trim all elements, second one trim first element, third one no trim option, fourth one is standard lines trim, fifth one construction lines trim, last one is construction lines no trim. When we choose corner option, the possible corner options are displayed in the sketch tools toolbar. Already I said these are the 6 options are displayed in the sketch tools toolbar. In this, trim all elements option is selected by default. Now I'm going to explain these 6 options directly in the CATIA V5 software. Now you can open CATIA V5 software. In this you can choose start button, mechanical design, sketcher workbench. Choose any one of the plane. I am choosing XY plane. Now I am drawing. Now I am choosing rectangle tool. Just you can draw the rectangle by using 2 points, start point and second point. For explaining these 6 options, uh, I have duplicate this rectangle operation, transformation, translate. Now I am duplicating 5 uh, 5 I'm choosing 4 duplicates from this point to this one. I have created 5 copies by using translation option. Now in this I am choosing corner option. You can see here it displays 6 options. First one is by default is trim all elements, second one trim first element, third one no trim, fourth one standard line trim, fifth one construction line trim, sixth one construction lines no trim. Another option is radius. You can enter the radius in this sketch tools toolbar. Let us see the first one, trimming both lines. Select the trim all elements option. Already that option already chosen. Select the two lines in the rectangle, insert operation corner. Now I am choosing these two lines and The two lines are joining by the rounded corner, which moves as you move the cursor. This lets you vary the dimension of the corner. You can also enter the radius in the Sketcher Tools toolbar. You can also click when you are satisfied with the corner dimensions. Both lines are trimmed at the points of tangency with the corner. You can see here the radius is 41.423 mm. This is the procedure for trimming both lines. Now let us see the second one. Operation corner. The second one is trim first element. Select the trim first element option. Select these two lines, first line and second line. Similarly, pre, similarly previous like you can drag mouse, you can drag the cursor to this way and click here. The first line is trimmed. This is the procedure for trimming the first line. Now let us see the third one. For third one is no trimming. For third case, I want to draw two intersecting lines. This is the first line and this is the second line. Insert, operation, corner. Now I am choosing third one, that is no trim option. Select the no trim option. Choose these two lines and drag to here. The corner is created, no line is trimmed. This is the procedure for no trimming. Now let us see the fourth one. Insert, operation, corner. Fourth one is standard line trim. Select the standard line trim option. Choose the two lines, first line and second line. Just you can drag to here. You can also enter the radius value in the sketch tools toolbar. The corner is created. The trimmed lines are set as standard lines. This is the procedure for trimming both lines until their intersection. Next, fifth one is trimming both lines and creating construction lines until their intersection. Insert, operation, corner. In this you can choose fifth option, that is construction lines trim. Choose first line and second line. Just you can drag to inside. The corner is created. The trimmed lines are set as construction lines. For sixth option, I want to draw the two intersection lines. This is the first line. This is the second line. Now insert, operation, corner. Now I am choosing last option, that is construction lines no trim. Choose first line and second line. Drag to inside and click here. The corner is created. The trimmed lines, you can see here, these two are the construction lines. The trimmed lines are set as construction lines. This is the procedure for trimming both lines and creating construction lines. Here the trimmed lines are set as non-trimmed construction lines. In previous case, that is the trimmed lines are set as construction lines. In this case, last one, the trimmed lines are set as non-trimmed construction lines. This is the procedure for trimming both lines and creating construction lines. You can also optimizing the operation by multi-selection. You can create several corners just by multi-selecting. For example, for if you want to corner these four edges, just you can go to the insert, operation, corner, choose first one, that is trim all elements. You can select entire sketch and you can directly give the radius. Now I am entering 15 mm. Click enter. You can see here four corners. Four corners are created at the same time with the same radius value. Here I have given that is 15 mm radius. This is the procedure to create several corners just by multi-selecting the given sketch. This is the procedure for creating cornering in the CATIA V5 workbench. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.